Let me show you how to use and also just how extremely good the flashlight is on the Garmin Instinct 3. So on the top of the Instinct 3 over here we actually have a flashlight, and it actually is fairly bright. So the flashlight definitely on this watch is probably my #1 favorite thing about it. So to turn it on, we simply have to double press the control button. So as you see, as I double press it, basically the flashlight gets turned on. And the brightness definitely is very good. So if you want to turn it off, again, just double press and then you can turn it off. Also, if you want to change the brightness of it, let's turn it on first. And then you have some time. Basically, you see these bars here for like maybe like 2 seconds or 3 seconds that we can basically change the brightness. So if we click this down and up button, basically, as you see, the brightness like decreases or increases. And also we get this red light as well. So definitely the time that the brightness adjustment option actually stays on is very little. And also the watch actually remembers the last choice that you made. For example, if I turn it on now, you see I have this like red mode. So, but if I maybe use it on this brightness and turn it on, off, and again back on, it actually remembers that same brightness level. Okay, first let's do indoor test, and this is just how insanely bright this flashlight actually is. Hope I can focus. So this fairly large area I have here, and the ceiling is like 4 meters or 5 meters up there. So yeah, it actually illuminates everything extremely well. So it's absolutely crazy that we can actually get such a power on our wrist. And this is brightness outdoors. So if you need a flashlight, man, this is actually so bright. So it's really just probably as good as a phone flashlight. And the beam also is actually like really decent, so we can easily see where we are going. And again, it's actually super decent. I really can't believe we actually get such powerful flashlight in a watch. Okay, and once more indoors on the highest brightness. As you can see, even the colors actually look super good from this light. And again, yeah, it's actually like very pleasant. So if you need to walk stairs at night, yeah, this is like extremely good. And just look at the brightness. Yeah, absolutely great. Okay, and this is the brightness of the red mode. So you can see it actually illuminates extremely well as well. Obviously it's not as bright as the white mode, but you can clearly tell what's going on very easily. Okay, next let's compare the brightness of the Instinct 3 versus a phone flashlight. And this is the brightness on a phone flashlight. So I have Google Pixel phone here, and definitely the brightness is overall like brighter on a phone. But again, it's obviously a phone. So when we compare this flashlight on the watch, as you can see, maybe it's not as bright, but still it's nearly as bright, I guess. So maybe like 80% there. So definitely not as bright as a phone flashlight, but almost there. So, and also the beam angle is like really good on it. So it's very spread apart, so you can see like up close very easily with this flashlight as well.